Ever wondered how the machinery that powers our world remains resilient despite the constant wear and tear? The answer lies in a fascinating process called hardfacing. Imagine a knight going into battle. His armor is his greatest defense, protecting him from blows. Much like that knight, machinery also needs armor, a robust outer layer that can withstand the harsh conditions of their operation. That's where hardfacing comes into play. It's like the blacksmith forging the knight's armor, strengthening it against wear and tear. Hardfacing, in essence, is the application of tough, wear-resistant material to the surface of a component. This is primarily done by welding or thermal spraying, although there are other methods. The primary goal? To reduce wear. Consider it a facelift for machines, where we apply a harder, more resistant surface over the original equipment. It's not about changing what's inside, but rather about providing a tougher exterior that can withstand the rigors of its environment. Hardfacing is used both on original equipment and for the repair of worn components. It's an essential part of maintaining machinery, helping to extend its lifespan and keep it running smoothly. Here's an interesting fact. Not all hardfacing is the same. The type of hardfacing used can vary depending on the component and its use. Factors such as the type of wear, the temperature of operation, and even the type of abrasives the equipment comes into contact with can all influence the choice of hardfacing. So, what's the takeaway from all this? First, hardfacing is a vital process that helps protect machinery from wear and tear. It's like a knight's armor, providing a robust layer of protection. Second, hardfacing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It needs to be carefully chosen based on the component and its operating conditions. And third, hardfacing is not just for new equipment. It's also a valuable tool for repairing worn components, helping to extend their lifespan and maintain their performance. In conclusion, hardfacing is a fascinating process that plays a crucial role in our world. It's the unsung hero of the machinery world, working behind the scenes to keep our machines running smoothly. Whether it's the engine in your car, the turbine in a power plant, or the gears in a factory, hardfacing is there, providing that vital layer of protection. So, the next time you see a piece of machinery, take a moment to appreciate the hardfacing that's keeping it in action.